Here is question 7. Press pause and have a go. Once you're ready, press play for the answer. And here is the answer. 7.6, 7.61. Both of them, any of them are fine. And here is how we go through this. Use trigonometry to work out the length. So trigonometry is SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. So that phrase, SOHCAHTOA. And so first of all, I need to identify my sides. So starting with the right angle, opposite the right angle is my hypotenuse. Okay, and I've got a distance, a length there, so I'm going to be using my h. Opposite the angle is my opposite side, so this is my opposite, and so I've got x, and so I'm going to be using opposite. And the last side is adjacent, and you can see nothing is there, so I'm not going to be using adjacent. Okay, and I've also boxed it up as I go along. So I'm using opposite and hypotenuse. Opposite, so I'm going to take opposite off here, doesn't have it here, and here I've got an O, so I'm going to take that off, so I'm going to be using that. And I've got H, so I've got a H there, so I'm going to be using that. I've got it here, but I'm not going to use that, and I don't have it there, so I'm not going to use that. So I've got this. So if I use this triangle now, sine 72 equals opposite is at the top, so it's x, and then h, my hypotenuse, is at the bottom, 8. So I've got my triangle there, okay, using my triangle. So I can see now that x is going to be sine 72 times by 8. X equals sine 72 times by 8, or the other way around. I could have written it 8 sine 72. And so now when I get my calculator, sine 72 times by 8 gives me 7.608. Let me write out all the digits. 7.6084513. Now I look at my question, it doesn't ask me for anything, and we've already seen from the mark scheme we can write 7.6, so let's use one decimal place. 7.6, or 3 significant figures as well you can use as a rule of thumb. 3 significant figures would make it 7.61. That's my answer.